For decades, the medical establishment dismissed collagen supplementation with a single sentence. Your gut just breaks it down into amino acids. It is no different than eating any other protein. It was a reasonable argument, and it was wrong. We now know, through clinical trials, mass spectrometry, and tissue biomarker studies, that hydrolyzed collagen does something no ordinary protein does. The specific peptide sequences it releases, proline, hydroxyproline, glycine, are small enough to survive digestion, mostly intact, cross the intestinal wall, enter the bloodstream, and travel to the skin and joints, where they bind to the receptors of fibroblasts and chondrocytes. They deliver a false alarm. They tell your cells massive tissue breakdown has occurred. Build, repair, rebuild. And your body, trusting the signal, responds aggressively.
But, and this is the part that gets left out of every collagen advertisement you have ever seen, the signal is useless without the tools to act on it. And today, I want to show you exactly how 7 specific smoothie recipes supply both the signal and every tool the cellular construction site needs to respond. This is not nutrition advice. This is a biochemistry class that happens to taste extraordinary.
Before we enter the recipes, we need to understand what we are trying to build. Every collagen fiber in your body is a triple helix. 3 protein chains wound around each other into a rope structure so strong that gram for gram, it rivals steel cable. To weave that rope, your fibroblasts require 3 categories of raw material simultaneously. First, the peptide fragments from hydrolyzed collagen, the signal and the substrate in one. Second, vitamin C, the obligatory electron donor for prolyl hydroxylase and lysyl hydroxylase, the enzymes that add the hydroxyl groups to proline and lysine that make the crosslinks structurally stable. Without vitamin C, the weave collapses. Third, healthy lipids, to build and stabilize the cellular membranes housing the fibroblasts themselves, and to flatten the blood sugar curve that, when spiked, floods the body with inflammatory molecules that attack the very collagen you are trying to produce. Every smoothie that follows delivers all 3, not accidentally, precisely. Classic berry collagen, the radical scavenger and matrix guardian. Berries are the closest thing to a collagen pharmacist nature has ever produced. Their vitamin C acts as the obligate electron donor for the hydroxylation enzymes that stabilize every pro-collagen molecule your fibroblasts attempt to build. Without it, the amino acid chains cannot cross-link. They collapse. But beyond the vitamin C, the anthocyanins in blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries do something structurally extraordinary. They physically intercalate into existing collagen fibers in the dermis, cross-linking with them and shielding them from the matrix metalloproteinases, the enzymatic wrecking crews triggered by stress, UV exposure, and inflammation that age your skin by dismantling the extracellular matrix from within. Greek yogurt brings a dense supply of proline, one of the foundational amino acids of the collagen helix, while simultaneously delivering probiotic cultures that repair the gut lining and reduce the systemic inflammation that silently erodes collagen tissue every single day. The irreplaceable partnership. Anthocyanins armor the collagen you have. Vitamin C builds the collagen you need. Probiotics defend the gut that makes it all possible. Tropical skin hydration, the synovial expander and tissue repairer. This smoothie is engineered for the 2 systems that suffer most from silent dehydration and chronic inflammation: your joints and your skin. Pineapple delivers bromelain, a proteolytic enzyme complex that, once absorbed, shuts down the cyclooxygenase 2 pathway, the same biochemical lever targeted by pharmaceutical anti-inflammatories. The synthesis of inflammatory prostaglandins drops. Swelling recedes. Joint fluid is no longer acidic and abrasive. Coconut water restores potassium-driven intracellular hydration, pulling water molecules inside dehydrated skin cells to plump tissue from the inside out rather than the surface in. Flax seeds or chia seeds introduce alpha-linolenic acid, the essential omega-3 that your cell membranes incorporate directly into their phospholipid bilayers, making them flexible, fluid, and resistant to the transepidermal water loss that leaves skin dull, cracked, and structurally compromised. The soluble mucilage fiber simultaneously slows fructose absorption, keeping the blood glucose curve flat and the inflammatory cascade switched firmly off. The irreplaceable partnership. Bromelain as the joint's molecular fire extinguisher. Omega-3s as the cell membrane's waterproof seal. Coconut water as the intracellular rehydrator.
3. Creamy peanut butter banana, the connective tissue shield and mineral matrix. Tendons, ligaments, and fascia are the quiet load bearers of the body. They hold the skeleton in place, absorb impact, and transfer force across every movement you make. They are also among the most undernourished connective tissues, receiving minimal blood supply and rebuilding slowly. Peanut butter delivers oleic acid and vitamin E, alpha-tocopherol, a fat-soluble antioxidant that sits within your cell membranes and neutralizes the lipid peroxidation that degrades their structural integrity under oxidative stress. Chia seeds contribute zinc and copper, and it is the copper that matters most here. Copper is the activating spark for lysyl oxidase, the extracellular enzyme that acts as a molecular needle, sewing separate collagen and elastin strands into the cross-linked matrix that gives your tendons their extraordinary tensile strength. Without copper, that needle never threads. Banana's vitamin B6 functions as a critical coenzyme in amino acid metabolism, ensuring the collagen peptides you have consumed are efficiently converted into the raw materials your fibroblasts can actually use. The peanut butter's fat ensures that the fat-soluble vitamin E is absorbed across the jejunum, precisely where it is needed most. The irreplaceable partnership. Copper as the lysyl oxidase activator that stitches collagen into steel. Vitamin E as the membrane protector. B6 as the amino acid metabolic key. 4. Green Glow Collagen, the mitochondrial spark and pro-collagen precursor. This smoothie operates at the deepest level of all, not just at the protein level, but at the energy and signaling level inside the cell itself. Spinach and kale deliver chlorophyll, and emerging clinical data now confirms something remarkable. Chlorophyll molecules stimulate the expression of procollagen, the precursor molecule to all human collagen types, directly inside dermal fibrodermis. The deeper the green, the stronger the signal. The avocado's monounsaturated fats act as a biological transport vehicle for the fat-soluble antioxidants concentrated in the greens, lutein and zeaxanthin. Without fat, these carotenoids pass through the intestine unabsorbed. Kiwi and lime deliver a surge of fresh, unoxidized vitamin C that immediately catalyzes the peptide hydroxylation enzymes. And the magnesium from spinach enters the mitochondria directly, driving the ATP synthesis cycle, adenosine triphosphate, the universal cellular energy currency that powers the internal collagen weaving machinery. You are not just feeding the construction workers, you are turning the power back on in the factory itself. The irreplaceable partnership, chlorophyll as the pro-collagen gene signal, magnesium as the mitochondrial power switch, avocado fat as the carotenoid bioavailability key. 5. Rich chocolate cherry, the endothelial flow optimizer and sleep sync. No collagen protocol can succeed in tissue that is poorly perfused. Without blood flow, the peptides, amino acids, and cofactors you have spent the morning consuming never reach the outermost capillary loops of the skin and joint capsules, where the fibroblasts actually live.
This is the smoothie that solves that problem. Pure cacao powder is saturated with epicatechin flavonols that directly stimulate the endothelial lining of your arteries to produce nitric oxide, the molecule that signals smooth muscle to relax, arteries to dilate, and microcirculation to surge into the dermal layers of the skin. Your face literally receives a greater delivery of oxygen, collagen peptides, and mineral cofactors with every serving. Dark cherries then introduce melatonin, one of the only natural food sources of this hormone, which regulates the circadian rhythm that governs overnight cellular repair, while their anthocyanins suppress central nervous system inflammation and protect cellular DNA from the nocturnal oxidative breakdown that accelerates aging of every tissue in the body. Taken in the evening, this is not a smoothie. It is a vascular opening act followed by a repair program that runs while you sleep. The irreplaceable partnership. Epicatechin as the nitric oxide delivery trigger. Melatonin as the overnight cellular repair signal. Anthocyanins as the DNA protection at night.
6. Golden mango turmeric, the genetic anti-aging switch. Every other smoothie on this list builds collagen. This one protects it at the genetic level. Curcumin, the lipophilic polyphenol at the heart of turmeric, is one of the most potent natural inhibitors of NF-κB ever identified in clinical biochemistry. NF-κB is the master genetic switch that, when activated by chronic inflammation, instructs your immune system to flood the body with destructive cytokines, TNF-alpha, interleukin-1, interleukin-6, that physically attack and fragment joint cartilage and dermal collagen bonds. By keeping that switch off, curcumin preserves the structural integrity of collagen that took years to build. Mango provides the vitamin C that immediately activates the hydroxylation enzymes feeding the collagen synthesis cycle. And here is the critical detail most people miss. Curcumin is deeply lipophilic. In water alone, it is almost entirely unavailable to your intestinal cells. Blended into the medium-chain triglycerides of coconut milk or the fats of Greek yogurt, curcumin dissolves. Its bioavailability across the enterocytes of your intestinal wall increases dramatically, and it enters systemic circulation rather than being flushed away unused. Fat is not optional in this recipe. It is the mechanism. The irreplaceable partnership. Curcumin as the NF-κB genetic switch-off. MCT fat as the bioavailability amplifier. Mango vitamin C as the synthesis activator.
7. Hydrating Red Booster, the Age-E Fighter and Vascular Plumper. This final smoothie addresses the most insidious and least discussed mechanism of skin and joint aging, glycation. When blood sugar remains even mildly elevated over time, glucose molecules attach non-enzymatically to collagen fibers in a process called glycation, forming advanced glycation end products, AGEs. These AGEs make collagen fibers stiff, brittle, discolored, and structurally useless. They are a primary cause of the yellowing skin, sagging jawlines, and aching joints that most people attribute simply to age. Pomegranate seeds contain elagitannins and punicalagins, among the most powerful anti-glycation agents identified in food science, which directly block this destructive process and protect collagen fibers from becoming rigid and fragile. Watermelon's L-citrulline converts via the kidneys into L-arginine and then into nitric oxide, opening vascular pathways and maximizing tissue plumpness from the inside. And the fresh lemon juice delivers the sharp, high-potency vitamin C hit that locks the incoming collagen peptides into the structural matrix of the skin and joints, completing the synthesis loop that every smoothie in this series has been building toward. The irreplaceable partnership. Ellagic acid as the anti-glycation shield. L-citrulline as the vascular opener. Lemon vitamin C as the final structural lock of the synthesis cycle. What I want you to take away from this video is not a shopping list. It is a framework. Every single one of these 7 recipes works because it respects a biological truth that the collagen supplement industry does not want to spend money telling you. The peptide alone is the smallest part of the equation. What you pair it with determines everything. The vitamin C that hydroxylates the amino acids, the fat that stabilizes the cellular membrane, the anti-inflammatory compounds that prevent the body from destroying the new collagen the moment it finishes building it, the circadian support that ensures the overnight repair cycle actually runs, the age blockers that protect what you have spent months constructing. Collagen is not a powder you add to water. It is a construction project. And these recipes are the blueprints, the building materials, and the site supervisor all blended into a single cup.
Choose one to start. Just one. Make it every morning for 30 days. Pay attention not just to your skin, but to your joints, your energy, your recovery after exercise. The body communicates subtly before it communicates visibly. Listen for the early messages. If this gave you a deeper understanding of what you are actually doing when you invest in your health, share it with someone who deserves to know. Subscribe for more of this kind of work, where the science is deep, the language is human, and the remedies come from the earth. And leave me a comment. Which of these 7 is going into your blender this week? I will read every one. I will be here. Blender running, triple helix forming. Collagen is not a powder you add to water. It is a construction project. And these recipes are the blueprints, the building materials, and the site supervisor, all blended into one cup.